Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be having a look at everyday home and kitchen essentials that makes life so easy. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and kindly turn on your notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Let's do it now. So I love going to IKEA, and anytime I go there I get new inspiration for my home and my kitchen. So first of all, we need dining furniture, and this is where we'll be eating our breakfast, lunch and dinner and creating great memories. Next, we need some dinnerware, and this comes in different shapes and sizes and for different functions. There are 7 plates, soup bowls, mugs, and dessert plates. These little bowls here are great for sauces and dips. We also have over here other bowls for sauces and dips, as well as egg cups. I usually use these egg cups for presenting my spices whenever recording my recipe videos, but they are great for presenting boiled eggs at the table. The next kitchen essential is having larger bowls and plates where you can put in your soups, your stews, your rice dishes, noodle dishes, and present or serve it at the dining table. The next category of kitchen essentials are glasses, jugs, and bottles. Over here we have some water glasses that can be used to serve water and juices at the table. Having wine glasses and cocktail glasses are a plus when celebrating special moments. You can pour in your juices and water into any of these bottles and jugs for a nice presentation at the dining table. Next, we have placemat, tablecloth, and runners. When it comes to these items, it's always great to go for more neutral colors as it helps to pair it up with different items on the dining table. Next, we have napkins and holders, and for the napkins there are 2 categories. We have the cloth napkin and the paper napkin. These napkin holders are amazing. They are durable and I've used it in a couple of my videos. Next category of items is bakeware, and this is my favorite part as I love to bake. There are cake pans. There are also pans such as these ones for baking your fish, your meat, and your vegetables at the same time. There are rolling pins, sieves, as well as baking gloves to help prevent you from burning yourself during baking. Under the cookware section, we have pots and pans, and you can get aluminium, stainless steel, or cast iron depending on your preference. Having good ladles and cutlery that can stand the test of time makes cooking so easy. You do not want to waste money buying some every time. Next, we have chopping boards and knives. Investing in these basic kitchen items makes life so easy when cooking and every bite of the food you make to be enjoyed. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!